Hey, me and my brother doubled up. Me releasing my second blue geegie of the day. Hey, my third blue geegie of the day. Pretty good size. There he goes. I just dropped him on foot. Ew, that's nasty. Fifth blue geegie of the day. The reason I didn't post the fourth is because somebody kicked it in the water. Releasing my bluegill. Fifth one. Cannon's first fish of the day. Cannon's second bluegill of the day.
Hit the release.
Sixth fish of the day. A little crazy one. Releasing my sixth fish of the day. I don't know what kind of fish that is, but good fish. Hold on. Hey, got my seventh fish of the day. Little bluegill. Not too bad. Got my seventh fish of the day. Little bluegill. Bye-bye. Got my eighth fish of the day. Nice fish. Releasing my eighth fish of the day. My ninth fish of the day. Nice little fish. Gonna release him. Got my 10th fish of the day. Nice fish. 10th fish of the day. Release him. Got my 11th fish of the day. Nice little fish. About to release him. Nice bluegill. I'm about to release him. Got my 12th fish of the day. Nice little fish. Got my 13th fish of the day. Little bluegill. Got my 13th fish of the day. His name is Bob. Just throw him back in the water. Nice little fish. My 14th fish of the day. He's dirty. Throw him back in the water.